And the race is on. Royal Heiress, Happy Hour, Tiger Rafi, Cat May also rushing up. It's now entry number 9, Happy Hour, Tiger Rafi. Ideal View alongside is the favorite, Cat May Forest, all rushing up by the rail. Is Precious Metal alongside Make No Mistake, Cool Reception Queen. And Royal Heiress now running at the tail of the field. Happy Hour, Ideal View. Tiger Rapidanori inside Forest All is running in between runners alongside Scott May. Rushing up, make no mistake, together with good reception. Ideal View is running by Doral Queen and Royal Air is still running at the tail of the field. Happy Hour by a length and a half. Ideal View, Forest All, Cat May in the middle. Alongside is Make No Mistake and Cool Reception as they race the final corner. Happy Hour, Forest All making room by the rail. Cat May on the outside. And nearing the finish line is now Cat May. And running by the rail, Forest All, Happy Hour, Royal Aires in the middle. Ideal View, make no mistake. But Cat May this time by some 4 lengths. And finally, Cat May. Second close, Happy Hour, Royal Aires. Another close for Make No Mistake and Ideal View for your